I don't think I have Photoshop, right? Nope. We could install it. Let's see how long that takes. Install. Now I think Photoshop has literally never launched correctly. All right, so we'll do the programming while that downloads. Okay, let's at least, oh, it's installing now. Which, come on, Photoshop. I'm sure glad it's installing for all this time. Can make the going into formation more interesting. It's installing, guys. What? It's an executable and some file. Like, what is the problem? Literally, what is the problem? It's taking my supercomputer a long time to install a program. Progress is slower than usual. Working on resolving issue. Why is Adobe still in business? Okay, we're going to p-brush it. Oh, wait, it just jumped to 91. Just, see, I threatened it with p-brush. You can't just install a program. I know. So now it's like log jammed at 91. We should make a new frickin' p-brush as an example program. Be better than this bullshit. Now this is not going to launch correctly the first time unless they fixed a bunch of stuff. Let's see. Last time I tried to launch it a couple versions ago, it would give me like DLL load errors and stuff. Close. Look how slow this is. All right. They have changed the things. All right, so pick up penetrate. Okay, I didn't drop it exactly into the drag spot because that. No, it did. It did drag it. That's how long it took it to load that bitmap. Holy crap! The resolution of the bitmap is 512 by 512. Shut up! I'm trying to edit.